Allied and WOHLHAUPTER, the expert in drilling and boring solutions.
The show here is great to present our WOHLHAUPTER fine boring tools here at EMO in Hanover.
People from all over the world came to see our digital boring tools from 0.4 mm up to more than 3 meters, with 1 micron adjustment on diameter.
WOHLHAUPTER have the most reliable modular boring system. We are happy to be here and we welcome you for further shows, visiting us somewhere in the world.